Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, if we go onto phone, that brings up select phone. Now there's an arrow to the right, corresponds to these arrows on this rotary control here. You've got delete, and again another arrow to the right, so click sideways and then you have to select the phone you want to delete. Click OK. Barry's iPhone 11, do you want to delete? It's defaulted to OK. If not, if you made a mistake, just knock it down to cancel, and then we click OK in the center. That's the phone gone.